Hello YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to the studio. Today is all about a brand new sketchbook. Look how beautiful and look how many pages. 96 pages to explore. I have missed having a huge sketchbook like this to just capture my everyday. So let's go paint. I have a new sketchbook and I'm so excited to be doing the first page with you. It is 96 pages of Fabriano Studio cold press watercolor paper, 90 pound, and I have missed having a big book to just create in every single day. If I find inspiration, I can just come in from outside and put it right in my sketchbook without having to think too much about that, and I have missed that. So I'm going to be working in this. This is a handmade sketchbook by Deanna off of Etsy. I will have all of the information on what I'm using down below. I also have a brand new palette from Ocean Paper. It's called Kelp Urchin. Isn't it beautiful? They're a little pricey, but I love the muted colors. I am using a Unipin, the number 5 in light gray for all of my marks. So I've drawn this out already and you can see it. And I wrote the type Ocean Paper here. And how I did that was I printed out Ocean Paper on just from my computer. And then I'm using my light box here that I shared. This is a light energy box. This is a rechargeable one. There is also a corded one. The rechargeable is about $15 more, but I wanted the ease of taking it everywhere. So there's a little switch here on the side. See that little bitty button? Press it up towards the power button there. Hold that down and it comes on. Let me get that out of the way. If you hold it down, so there it goes brighter and there it goes dimmer. I love that. So I'm going to click it to go brighter. And all I do is I open my sketchbook. So open it like this. And you can see how you see the letters underneath. All I did was hold it in place and trace it with my Unipin marker. And that's how I've got my type on the front page here. Just like this. I get a lot of questions about that, and that's how I do that. I like to start my sketchbooks with some kind of art supply, and I thought this was great because I just got this palette in and I wanted to have it in a sketchbook so I would remember when I got it. I am using the Princeton Aqua Elite Long Round number 8 because of the beautiful point that I love. These are handmade and I like to just start them with a little bit of water. This first color is Yellow Travertine. I fell in love with this brand because of the colors. They have a lot of soft muted colors and you know I love that. I will be splashing, but that's got to dry just a little bit. You can see it's a lot of water. The next color here is beige. It looks kind of pink and warm. I love that. Love this tone. Very beautiful. It's kind of a mix of a buff titanium and a shell pink kind of, and a little bit of gray. The next color is loam. These paints are made in Hawaii. And a lot of their sets are like urchin and the sea and ocean palette, and I love that. I love that they name them like that. The next one is Limonite. Ooh, that's a surprising yellow. Look how bright. That's beautiful. I'm going to splash. For splashing, I take my 3 fingers and I dip them to about the first knuckle. And then I kind of hold the middle one like this and flip down on the page. What I like about the Unipins too is the water does not run the ink. They dry really quickly and you can watercolor right away, which I love. I'm not a patient person. The next one here is Potter's Pink. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Then we have Camel. Ooh, this is an interesting color. It's like a terracotta and pink kind of mixed. Lots of uses for that one. Love that. Then we have Red Ochre. Oh, this is a lovely red orange. Wow. I need to put more water on that one. What a beautiful color. I don't have anything like that. It's almost the perfect value for poppies. This one is Sea Clay, and I love the color of this here in the palette, so I hope it comes out. Ooh, yeah. That's really pretty. I love this soft minty green. I'm going to splash. The next one here, this bottom one, is Slate Blue Green. The mint and this color, what was that one? Camel. That was the reason I bought this set. I just fell in love with those 3 colors. And the rest of the palette was just a bonus. I'm always looking for a blue that would fit my palette. I'm not a bright blue. I don't really care for like ultramarine or anything bright like that. So I like the idea of this more turquoisey aqua kind of color blue with a touch of indigo, I think. Greenish Umber. Just the name of that I love already, without even looking at the color. As you're looking at these colors, I want you to think about what you would create with them. This is a beautiful natural green. Reminds me of fall leaves that are just before they start to change color. Pretty. And then we have Fern. Ooh, what a rich one. I need more water with that. Wow, what a deep one. I was not expecting this deep of a green for Fern. But look at this beautiful color. Go a little deeper. That was shocking. Shocking, surprising, and in a good way. The last one here is green gray. Beautiful color for mushrooms. Look at that. This would be a great color for birds. You know, I've been bird watching lately, and this is a really pretty color. It's more on the green side, which is why it's green gray. I would love a whole tube of this color right here. That's beautiful. Splash. I'm going to mix a little bit of that green gray and a little bit of this blue color. What was that? Slate blue green. Just want to create a soft shadow color. And then I'm also going to use that color to just kind of fill my letters in. And there's my first sketchbook page. Isn't it beautiful? What a lovely palette. I'm really excited about getting this palette and seeing what it can do. And it mixed really well. Wetting them first seemed to really juice them up and get them ready to come out on the palette nice and strong. I love that. Let me bring you up close so you can see the colors. That's the Kelp and Urchin palette by Ocean Paper. Thank you for helping me start my new sketchbook. If you were inspired by today's content, please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.